Hey guys, welcome back to another Crafty video. I'm the Crafty Gamer, and today we got another box unboxed for Pokemon TCG. We got a Mythical Genesect box. So let's see what kind of pulls we got out of this box today. Let's get to it. Alright, so here it is. The Genesect Mythical box with the collectible pin, the promo card, and 2 Generations boosters, one with Pikachu and one with Blastoise. So let's get this baby open. I've looked for these boxes online, but I can hardly find them. And there's this local store in our city. It's like, hang on, did they tape this shut? Oh yeah, it's like a giant sticker on this side. So we got it. Anyway, we got this local store in our city, and there's only one store in our city that actually still sells the boxes with the generation boosters. And I can hardly find them online as it is anyway. These go for pretty cheap in the store, so this is the third one I got, I think. Here's the little poster thing. As you can see back there, that's one side and that's the other side. Here it is. Let's open this up. Here we get the Genesect pin. Let's put that to the side. Let's get a promo card out. Our Genesect promo card, which is number 119 XY. Not sure if it's focusing right. With a code card for the box. And the 2 boosters. This is the plastic out of the way. Or Pikachu and Blastoise Pikachu and Blastoise boosters. Let's open up Blastoise first. Hopefully we'll get some nice cards. I'd love to get Team Flare Grunt for by deck. Or Flareon EX, that would be fun. I'm not really sure what the pack trick for this was. 3 out of 3, I think. Hey, hopefully. I'm not really sure. I'm sorry, I forgot. Anyhow, Ghastly, Fire Energy, I'm not sure if I did that right. Tangela, Zubat, Wobbuffet, Clefable, Evo Soda. I don't think I have this one yet. Reverse Shauna, did I do the entire trick right? Or not? No, I think I screwed up some. Ooh! Nope. Nope, I did not screw up. So you see that? Oh gosh. Okay, Reverse Shauna, Altaria. Ooh, Leafeon EX. Ooh, that's nice. I don't have this one yet. Right. So let's put this one in the back. If I can. Hang on. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. Great. So that's nice. We got an EX in our first pack. And our second and last pack. Last but not least, right? Hopefully. I think I can feel the foil. Oh man, that's such a spoiler. Geodude, Pikachu. Oh man, that's cute. Look at that art. Caterpie. Psychic Energy, you know what that is. Asper. Clement. I'm actually looking for this one for a Psychic deck. Olympia. Nice card as well. We'll see some play. Paris. Reverse. Ooh. Holo Charizard. and Pinsir. Hang on, I said, yeah, Pinsir. No EX card this time in the second pack, but we did get a very nice holo Charizard. Look at that snow and those snowflakes. So awesome, look at that. I'm pretty happy with that card. Also, Olympia and Clement are cards that I'm really happy with. Could be really useful in decks. Could be really useful in decks. Especially Clement, lets you get 4 electric energy from your deck and put them into your hand and discard. Search for up to 4 electric energy cards, reveal them, put them in your hand, and shuffle your deck afterward. It doesn't say basic energy. The thing is, I guess you can also get flash energy, which is a special electric energy, and put that on into your hand. So you can play those in your Pokemon on your bench or your active. So yeah, that's really cool. Esper, I don't think I have this one yet. I'm pretty sure I got the energy. And the art of a Pikachu is really cute. Look at that. He's so cute. Anyway, that's it for this unboxing, guys. Please, if you like this video, if you have any questions or comments, please post them in the comment section down below. If you'd like to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there for those other videos. And be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and be sure to check out my website as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay crafty, guys.